Hi everyone. Today's video, I wanted to follow up on my last video when I took all the camper van stuff out to weigh it and give you an idea of how much net weight we're adding to our minivan. I got some comments that suggested that the seats that came out weighed more than I estimated. I had estimated 80 pounds. I just finished a video showing how to take the seats out of the van, and while I had them out, I got the bathroom scale out again and weighed all the seats, and I also had an estimate for the solar panels, so I weighed that as well. I want to give you an update. So first of all, this is the pile of all of the camper van parts that came out. They're just stacked in the corner of the garage, and so that's it. We'll sit there through a cold, snowy winter, and then the parts that got weighed today are here. All right, so what we've got is third row seats here. The smaller one is 52 pounds. The larger one is 62 pounds. Second row seats are each 48 pounds. So all the seats, second row, third row seats, add up to 210 pounds. I'd estimated only 80 pounds. So that's a big difference. The other thing I did was I weighed the solar panel. I'd estimated 20 pounds for the panel and the bracketry and the harness, and it came out to be 20 pounds. So that was a lucky guess. So anyway, what this does for the net weight added to the minivan, the entire system, all the electrics, the battery, the wood, I had 426 pounds for that, but instead of subtracting 80 pounds, we'll subtract 210 pounds for the seats, and that leaves a net add of 216 pounds. And then for the simpler system, without all the electrics, without the heavy battery and the solar panel and all the power board, that total had come to 285 pounds, but instead of subtracting 80 pounds, if you subtract 210, that just leaves 75 pounds of net add. So that's a lot better than what I had said in that video. So just want to give you that update. In the end, I think the bottom line is these types of camper van conversions hardly add any weight to be concerned about. It's like adding a child or an adult, and that's about it. So hopefully that was useful. As usual, leave comments, questions for me, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.